Hi everyone, I am Sejal and I am a very proud student of Marketing Accelerator Academy. And in this video, I wanted to tell you about my journey and my experience after enrolling into the course. So, I joined the course in August 2020, and before that, I was just a recent graduate. I was a student who had given her final exams amidst the pandemic. So, given all that situation, I was very sure that I don't want to quickly move into a traditional 9 to 5 job, and I was sure that I want to do something from the comfort and safety of my home. And that's exactly when I came across one of Ruta's ads on Instagram. And after that, it has just been very amazing because I started following her everywhere in social media, on every public platform out there. And I was pretty sure that this course is something that I really wanted to do. And that's when I just decided to take a leap of faith and invested all my savings into the course. So after enrolling into the course, it was just a month and a half, and I landed my first international client. And ever since then, I happen to work with 10 plus clients, 20 plus actually, if I also count the consulting services that I provided here and there. So it has been a journey of a kind. Some clients were a little difficult to work with. Most of them were really amazing. One client sent me gifts all the way from the US because I made a launch super successful for them. So it's truly been really amazing. And within this time frame of 10 months, I guess, I happened to make a revenue of 19,000 US dollars, which is really amazing because it would not have been possible if I had settled for a traditional job. It would have taken me, I don't know, years maybe to reach where I am today. So I'm super thankful to Ruta, her team, and the course and the community for making that happen for me. And it's not just about the income. I mean, MA has helped me develop and grow so much personally and professionally. I mean, I have become so much more confident about my services, about charging my worth, and putting myself out there as an expert. And the fact that I can talk to the camera today so well is because of MA and Ruta. So that's there. And it has also helped me with my mindset because we freelancers, we have our own share of bad days dealing with difficult clients and difficult situations. So this course has helped me develop a mindset which keeps me going even when I have my bad days. And guys, because I had invested into the course, I became financially independent before the age of 21, which is something that I really, really wanted for myself. Plus, in January 2021, I could sponsor a trip for my parents and my sister, which is something really special for me because my parents were so proud and we had great time after a very long time. So it happened only because I achieved my income goal and all thanks to MAA. So, guys, if you're still out there thinking whether you should enroll into the course or not, trust me, guys, this is not an expense. This is an investment. And if you enroll today and work dedicatedly towards achieving your goals, you will make twice, thrice the money back that you're investing today. Actually, the return is insane. There is no limit to what you can make back. So, if you are still thinking, just give it a shot. You won't regret it because trust me, this was the best decision that I ever took for myself.